Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read chapter 6 from our Looking Around book of class 4, and the chapter name is Omana's Journey. Let's start. Omana and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. Omana was going to her grandmother's house. And Radha was going with her family for a holiday. Omana's father had gone to book train tickets for both the families. Then, just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from the bicycle and fractured her right leg. Her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. The two friends were very sad. They had made so many plans about what they would do together on their trip. Then Radha's Amma had an idea. Omana, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Then when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This way you will not forget anything, and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. Both the friends thought this was a good idea. Omana went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. Here are some pages from Omana's diary for you to read. Omana's diary. 16 May. As soon as we had reached the station, we checked our names on the reservation chart. Soon the train reached the platform. We saw that the coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kutch. When the train came, there was so much confusion. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside. All from one door. We somehow managed to get in. Find our seats and put our luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see that we were in our proper seats. Amma and Appa had the lower berths. Unni and I have the middle berths. There are 2 college students who have the upper berths. On the other berths, there is a family with 2 children. They seem to be about our age.
They seem to be about our age.
I will go and talk to them later.
I will go and talk to them later.
Now,
Now,
I am sitting near the window
I am sitting near the window
and I have started
and I have started
writing about our journey.
writing about our journey.
Just as I had promised you.
Just as I had promised you.
I will stop now
I will stop now
because Amma has opened the tiffin box.
because Amma has opened the tiffin box.
Amma had packed a lot of food.
Amma had packed a lot of food.
Dhokla with chutney,
Dhokla with chutney,
lemon rice
lemon rice,
and some mithai.
and some mithai.
My mouth is watering.
My mouth is watering.
I will write more later.
I will write more later.
Why was it so crowded
Why was it so crowded
at the door of the coach?
at the door of the coach?
Blank.
Blank.
Have you ever traveled in a train?
Have you ever traveled on the train?
When?
When?
What food you like to take with you
What would you like to take with you
when you travel?
when you travel?
Why?
Why?
Blank.
Blank.
What does the ticket checker do?
What does the ticket checker do?
Blank.
Blank.
How will you recognize the ticket checker?
How will you recognize the ticket checker?
Blank.
Blank.
16 May.
16 May.
After lunch, some people slept,
After lunch, some people slept,
but I was not sleepy.
but I was not sleepy.
I kept looking out of the window.
I kept looking out of the window.
I saw many fields,
I saw many fields,
but they all were brown and dry.
but all were brown and dry.
Sometimes we passed small villages.
Sometimes we passed a small village.
They seemed to be flying by.
They seemed to be flying by.
Do you know that
Do you know that
when the train is at a very high speed,
when the train is at a high speed,
things outside seem to be running
things outside seem to be running
in the opposite direction?
in the opposite direction?
Earlier it was really hot.
Earlier it was very hot.
Now that it is evening,
Now that it is evening,
there is some breeze.
there is some breeze.
The sun is slowly setting
The sun is slowly setting,
and the sky has become orange.
and the sky has become orange.
I have never seen it look like this
I have never seen it look like this
in Ahmedabad.
in Ahmedabad.
We have just passed the station
We have just passed the station
called Valsad.
called Valsad.
The train stopped for only 2 minutes,
The train stopped for only 10 minutes.
but even for the short time,
But even for a short time,
there was so much noise.
there was so much noise.
Chai garam chai.
Chai, chai.
One man was calling.
One man was calling.
Batata vada, batata vada,
Batata vada, batata vada.
puri saag,
Puri saag.
doodh, thanda doodh.
Doodh, thanda doodh.
People were selling and buying food
People were selling and buying food
on the platform.
on the platform.
We quickly bought some bananas
We quickly bought some bananas
and chikus
and chicus
through the window itself.
to the window itself.
What did Omara see from the window?
What did you want to see from the window?
Blank.
Blank.
What are some of the things
What are some of the things
that are sold at railway stations?
that are sold at the railway station?
Blank.
Blank.
I have made some friends.
I have made some friends.
They are Sunil and Ann.
They are sweet and fun.
They are going to their grandmother's house
They are going to the grandmother's house
in Kozhikode.
in Kozhikode.
Sunil has given me some storybooks to read.
Suri has given me some story books to read.
A little while ago,
A little while ago,
I went to brush my teeth,
I went to brush my teeth,
but there was no water in the bathroom.
but there was no water in the bathroom.
Somebody said that
Somebody said that
it will only be filled
it will only be filled
at the next big station
at the next big station
for the teacher.
for the teacher.
Gandhidham,
Gandhidham,
Ahmedabad,
Ahmedabad,
and Valsad are in Gujarat.
and Valsad are in Gujarat.
Kozhikode is in Kerala.
Kozhikode is in Kerala.
Show these states to the children
So they just stated to the children
on the map
on the map
to help them realize
to have them realize
what a long journey it is
what long journey it is.
Why do you think
Why do you think
there was no water in the bathroom
there was no water in the bathroom
of the train?
of the train?
Discuss.
Discuss.
Imagine that
Imagine that
you are going on a long train journey.
you are going on a long train journey.
What are the things
What are the things
that you will take with you
that will take with you
to help pass the time?
to help pass the time?
Can you recognize
Can you recognize
who are these people
who are these people
shown in the picture?
shown in the picture?
What work do they do?
What work do they do?
Discuss.
Discuss.
For the teacher,
For the teacher,
discuss the ways of booking a railway ticket
discuss the ways of booking railway tickets
from ticket counters
from ticket counters
at railway station
at railway station
and also online.
and also online.